Hello, future doctors! Congratulations on clearing the obstacle of your entrance, and welcome to the fascinating field of medicine. Most of you might be very anxious about your new journey that is about to begin and must be thinking how not to be a naive on a medical school. But don't worry now, you're at the right place. Welcome to the channel Merit from a Medico itself. You must be worried about how difficult the journey is gonna be, but staying idle and overthinking might make the situation much worse. At this phase, you have 100 of questions dancing in your mind, like who is a smart medico, how long should one study, and how to stay well focused. So, we are here to give you ideas and help you with it. Medicine is a field comparable to an ocean. It's vast, amazing, and would never be boring if you know the actual way of learning. The medical course in Nepal is of 5.5 years, including the internship, amongst of which you study the basic medical sciences for 2 beginner years and then proceed to clinicals. Some of you are regretting now that you couldn't do your best in your entrance phase, but it's never too late to improvise yourself. Despite of whatever your history is, you can still make a good doctor. Merit would love to accompany you in your betterment. Here are the few tips to a success. Point number 1. Know earlier than others. There's a saying from Money Heist you people might have already heard. If you truly want something, you have to steal it from the others. Here you don't have to steal anything from anyone, but you definitely can start prepping yourself earlier than others. Good things definitely take time. Tip number 2. Study smarter. We all know being gifted is a myth, but you can be smart if you learn things in a smart and brainy way. A smart medico is someone who is knowledgeable and stays updated by the correct use of available resources. Best book selection. To be a good doctor, your foundation has to be strong, for which you have to read the best and authentic books. We can help you with the latest PDFs on all subjects, no matter what. You're an MBS or a BDS student. Ask us and learn more. If you have any queries regarding studies or anything, feel free to ask. We promise to help you out not only now, but also in your upcoming journey of medicine. You can join our Telegram channel from the link given below. In India, Bangladesh and other countries, students are taught subject-wise rather than system-wise. And in Nepal, there is the concept of IBMS. IBMS is a crucial thing that a fresher has to know before entering a medical school. IBMS means Integrated Basic Medical Science, which means that you're going to learn these 6 attributes: anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, pathology, microbiology, and biochemistry of the system, per se respiratory system, all at once. You'll be learning about the anatomy, its physiological function, its therapeutic medicines, pathology regarding it, the microflora which will be infecting them in some infectious illnesses, and lastly, the biochemical changes that occur in the system. It's really a best thing that you can learn a holistic approach, learning every aspect at once. Things will repeat, but you will get to learn in a more enthusiastic way. General anatomy is what you will need to focus in this time when you are free. Trust me, you'll really be feeling easier if you learn these things prior. And we are providing the book for free. Join our Telegram channel and you can get any medical PDFs. The general anatomy includes cadaveric anatomy, topographic anatomy, clinical anatomy, radiographic anatomy, embryology, anthropology, and others, as you can see in the images above. Being a medico, I would highly suggest you people to get a BD Chaurasia 0 volume edition and enjoy reading some basics of anatomy. Why this book is so important? Well, this book will shorten the gap of your entrance life and medical life. You will feel connected to one another if you study this book prior to admission. There are the chapters which you will need to know, such as Introduction to Anatomy, Bones, Joints. Don't worry, We will be bringing a separate video series on this topic individually, in which we will try to make those topics as easy as possible for you people, but without compromising the depth of the content. The next most interesting experience for a fresher is the introduction to senior. In most of the medical colleges, it is also known as senior-junior interaction. And remember, never call it a ragging. You'll be having an introduction series where you'll be needing to introduce yourself to the senior and do something memorable for them. Seniors can't remember everyone's name, so this session is just for a visual memory for them to know about you. You can focus on these things listed in the video and prepare yourself so that you don't feel nervous in front of the senior. We don't promote ragging. Now talking about the gadgets you'll be needing. The need of smartphone cannot be used only for enjoyment. It can also make your study a lot easier if you use it in a wise way. These apps are available freely and you can install them. Wikimed answers almost everything a medico should know. It is freely available on every devices like iPhone, Android phone, Windows, laptop or MacBook. UpToDate is the second app that you will be needing in your clinical life. It includes information about any disease, its treatment and its diagnosis. Dr. Najib. This guy can explain anything. You can check his YouTube channel in case you want to know him, and you will hear this man's name at least once in your medical life. He has his app which will cost you around $5 and you can get lectures on every medical topics. Well, there are alternatives to download them too. TM Anatomy or Teach Me Anatomy. The name itself suggests that it's a beautiful app which has well explained anatomical topics in simple and brief way. Handy when you want to know a brief introduction about any topic. SlideShare has a collection of presentation about any topic. You can take a look. They have apps and web versions too. Telegram is a cloud storage based instant messaging app. You can get many cool stuffs on it. We have an entire medical library for free digital books. The link is on the description box so you can get them easily for free. Do check out Telegram channel. Zodo is a free app which you can use for PDF reading. It has almost every feature like highlighting, squiggling the text, copying the text that a premium PDF reader can offer. It is available for almost every device. Do try to install it and use it to read the digital books on the channel. And apart from the pen and pencils that you're going to use, you'll be needing something new called as hematozidine and eosin, also known as the H&E pencil. Your histology teacher will be telling you to buy those and they are two in color. Trust me, your life is going to be spent in sharpening them. They break so easily. One question that strikes in the mind of newcomers is that whether to buy a tablet or a laptop. It is a tough question and merely depends upon the uses. I personally would suggest a laptop because there are many restrictions for the tablet or an iPad. The most hectic you'll be feeling is when you're told to prepare a presentation or a slide. It's gonna be time consuming and troublesome. Also, many software which you can get freely on laptop are priced in tablet. So that sucks, right? What is the plan of our channel? Entrance life and medical life are entirely different, and you need to prepare yourself prior to getting enrolled. If you know few things more than a peer, you're definitely gonna be cooler and wiser among them. There's a huge gap between entrance life and medical life. If you know those few things already, it'll be beneficial for you. Thank you for being with us in the entire video. Check the description for surprises. Since this is a new channel, we really need you guys to support us and help us to grow. And let me inform you that we're shortly gonna upload videos on various topics of basic science for your ease. So stay connected with us. Please subscribe, hit the like button and comment down your queries. Bye.